This video is part 2 of my series on ankle taping. The first strip that we will apply is considered the heel lock. For the demonstration purpose of this video, we'll apply 4 heel locks, 2 heel locks on each side. So when we apply the first heel lock, we'll apply the first heel lock directly in front of the ankle, starting it in a diagonal orientation. As we apply the tape, we'll ensure that the tape adheres to the first cover strip. As the strip of tape transitions in a diagonal direction toward the heel, we will transition the roll of tape underneath the heel. As the roll transitions to the opposite side of the heel from where we started, the roll of tape will transition behind the heel and out the other side. And as it transitions out the other side, we'll make sure to use our index and thumb of the opposite hand that we're not holding the tape in, stretch the tape out and rub the tape in to eliminate any wrinkles as you apply the tape. While you're using one hand to stretch the tape and rub the tape in to avoid wrinkles, you're also keeping the roll very taut with your other hand to allow to be tight enough to create the support that's needed. As you finish the heel lock, it should end exactly where the heel lock started. So at this point, we will cut the tape, and you should have 2 tabs, a starting tab and a finishing tab facing the same direction and in the same orientation. Now what we'll do is we will complete a second heel lock the same way we completed the first heel lock. The next step in applying the heel locks is to apply a heel lock in the opposite direction compared to the first heel locks. So this heel lock will transition lateral to medial rather than medial to lateral. And as this heel lock transitions lateral to medial, it will follow the same pattern as the previous heel lock. However, going in opposite direction. And now this heel lock will finish where it started, but in the opposite direction as the previous heel locks. We'll complete a second heel lock on this side, moving lateral to medial, completing our 4th and final heel lock. After we complete the heel locks, we should see that there are no windows of space and the heel is not covered completely.